Morning, Mr. K.
Good morning, Em.
Ready for your new assignment?
I'm always ready. You know me.
Quick brief for the day. You are scheduled to depart for Malta at 1300 hours. Are we on track?
I've got this.
Upon your landing, Maurice will be there to receive you at the airport.
Copy that.
He'll brief you on the assignment and prepare you for the project. He has all the details. This one should be a quick in and out. But keep me in the loop if anything goes sideways.
Understood.
I've just emailed you all the project details and your boarding pass. Don't miss the flight.
You know I'm always on time.
And Mr. K,
Yes, Em.
stay safe. It's a film shoot, not a secret mission.
I know. I've got this.